Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to switch into your Google Ads expert mode. So people have been asking this in the Google Ads help section and the help desk section in Google. So here, let's discuss about it and how you actually have to do it. So when you're switching, you'll have to sign into your Google Ads account. Click the settings icon in the top right corner of the page and select and switch to expert mode. But when you're already logging into the new interface, it's gonna automatically just redirect you there, so you cannot go back to the old one. It's just going to be abandoned already, so it's going to be the new standard for your expert mode. So once you've switched to expert mode, you'll have to access to all features tools in Google Ads, and you'll be able to create all campaign types including search, display, video, app, and shopping. And of course you can revert back, like I've said, to smart mode because this is going to be the new standard in Google Ads. So as you can see, this is going to be what it's going to be looking like right here. So it's just that simple to switch into your Google Ads expert mode. So you'll just have to again sign in, click settings icon on top right corner, select switch to expert mode and confirm it. And there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.